Alright guys, in today's video I just want to explain to you guys whether you should change the rotors or not. Okay, so got a customer here. He brought original brake pads from Toyota. So this is the box. So he asked me before buying the brake, should he change the rotors or not. So I gave him advice that he shouldn't change the rotors right now because first of all, it looks good. Secondly, I asked him a question. When he's going on high speed and he presses the brake, if the car shakes when you tap the brake pedal and the car starts to shake like that, the steering wheel, the whole car starts to vibrate, that means you got a warped rotor, it's got to go. So what you want to look is, you want to look for signs like this. If you can see the little dotted marks here, this is a warped rotor here. And I got another one. They both look good, but this one also, you can see the shiny black spot. So this rotor is no good. Both of these rotors are no good. You also want to look on the back end if it's rusted crazy, because this rotor looks good from the back. It doesn't look so bad from the back, but front is bad. It could be that front is good and the back is not bad. So that's why you can get away with the brake pad slap. So that's what I'm going to do here. So this video is only about explaining to you guys whether you should change the rotors or not. So you just want to see for the markings, take the car for a test drive. Go more than 40 miles per hour. At 40, 50, it will start to show you vibration. At 30 miles per hour, it's probably not going to do. So 50, 60 miles per hour, slam the brake pedal. Not slam, but just tap the brake pedal. And if you start to see vibration, it's no good, okay? Same thing on the other side. Same thing in the back. And if you see a lot of rust in the back end, back of the rotor, it's still got to go, okay? So a few more things I want to explain to you. To avoid those warps, you want to check your slider pin, okay? Make sure you check the greasing and everything on the slider pins, because if your slider pins are jammed up, it's going to destroy your new rotor if you're replacing it. And if these are any good, it's going to destroy these. So the heat is the killer there. So check that out. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and give it a thumbs up. And if you need that little advice, whether you should change the rotors or not, this is a good video for you guys. Thank you for watching.